Oil and NG traded in range without any much of movement. So will they break out today? Can we expect it to good bullish breakout, or can we expect them to crash? And if yes, which position we should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to find out the trading levels and the good entry points whether to buy on the sell side. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude, followed with NG. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully. Now, look at the hourly charts on crude. You will find out that, see, it is trying to show you a little bullish bias. Higher highs are seen. At the same time, $77 are providing it a very good support, and if you eliminate these few candles, you will find still higher lows are seen. So higher highs, higher lows. This is also potentially a rising wedge, and yes, only and only if it breaks out beyond 79, you can consider that it is trying to show you bullishness. Else, breaking below this zone at 77.5, you can expect that another round of drop till 77, and below that a good crash can be expected. So I'll wait for it. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic near to top, near to overbought levels. The MACD is bullish here, divergent. RSI is looking upwards too. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, see, similar is the formation. You can find out this was the bottom there, 76. Rise, drop, rise. Can we expect that to drop? Let's see if it does. But only good sell entry today is below 77.5. Below that, yes, you can expect it to drop a little, else it may continue with the bullish momentum. Only consider this for a good bullish move. If it breaks past 79.2 and then towards 80, we can expect a good rise. Now also look at the 2-hour charts. It is also, see, the rise, the drop has bought to the higher lows. It is not taken below this zone, and only below 76. Consider this as bearish. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. The stochastic is overbought, and hence potentially this is one observation which is trying to give an indication that it may try to drop sooner or later, potentially giving it a rise. Then we can expect it to drop later. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is looking upwards, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts with the support at 78, it is trying to give a breakout here on the upside. See, one bullish candle retracement, another bullish candle trying to rise a little. On the upside, 78.6, 79.2 are potentially a good resistance level. Only above 79.2 you can expect little more rise there. For, see, the next resistance is certainly $80 levels. 80 and 80.02 are my favorite. Here it is going to get the maximum resistance, and beyond that it is going to fly high towards 81. Directional stochastic overbought. Directional movement moderately bearish. The MACD has crossed over on the 3-hour chart. This is a bullish cross. This is divergent. Potentially we may see it rising a little. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. See, you can find out this is trying to break out, but is still trying to trade in this channel, and hence once it trades past 78.5, yes, you can expect 79.2, 80.02 levels also cannot be denied. These levels are definitely a good resistance, and beyond that 81 will be seen. Also look at this, how it is formed this movement. Sharper drop, retracement, and higher low. So this is potentially a consolidation till the time it trades between 81 and 77. Potentially look it as a consolidation zone. Beyond 81 certainly, or rather I will say beyond 82, certainly you can expect that this is given a breakout on the bullish side. Till the time it trades between 81 and 77, we have to observe it a little. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD has crossed over for a bullish move, and RSI is looking upwards here. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, one thing is previous candle and this candle double bottom has been seen at the same time. Lower highs on the previous candle and previous to previous candles were seen. Potentially till 81 you need to be cautious. Any drop below 77 will bring more bearishness. Then you can expect 76, and then 74 levels cannot be denied. So till the time it trades above 77, I will not recommend you to take a sell entry today. Yes, you can take a sell entry at 77.5 and then expect it to drop for 77, but 77 is going to be certainly a very good support. Below 77, little more bearishness can be expected. So 77.5 and 78.5. In between this $1, do not trade above 78.5. You can expect 79.2. First resistance 80.02 next, and then beyond that certainly it is going to fly high for 81 and 82 levels. I don't expect 82, but yes, 81 can be expected. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is bottom. So potentially it is trying to stabilize at this levels and trying to converge. Direction is still not clear, but yes, if it tries to rise, 81 levels can be achieved, which is a good resistance. So it is in consolidation phase, we can say. So considering this, sell at 77.5, buy at 78.5, but then expect 79.2 and 80.02 as a very good resistance, and beyond that potentially we may see 81 as the next maximum target. So trade accordingly on the downside below 77.5 till 77. You need to be very alert. Yes, you will get 50 cents, but yes, this should be a risky trade. Below 77 it is going to crash strongly for 76 and below level. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch. The last batch of this year is starting on 28th of November. Only couple of seats are left. Reserve your seats now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. If you want to be a part, reach out again via Telegram or email. Now look at the hourly charts or NG. You will find NG getting the support at 7.5, multiple candles trying to breach but failing to do so. It is trying to trade above 7.5 levels. Now see, drop, retracement, drop, consolidation. Now trying to form again a bullish move. So yes, if you see it trading above this zone at 7.5, you can expect 7.6. 7.6 is a very good resistance, and then above that certainly it is going to fly for 7.65 and 7.7 levels. Beyond 7.7 it is again going to trade bullish. It is still trying to consolidate a bit. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is bearish here, the RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, now see NG on the 2-hour charts again. This is a very important level, 7.4, 7.5 zone. Only below 7.4 I will recommend you to sell NG, and then below that you can expect a very good drop. At the same time, you can see lower highs are seen here, and if you see this further, you will find that lower highs are seen there too. So 7.6 is certainly a very good level beyond which you can buy. Till the time it trades below 7.6, do not think of going long on NG, and beyond 7.6 you can still expect 7.65, 7.7 as the first target, and then 7.8 levels to be seen. Now also one must not forget, see, it is trying to consolidate a bit. Potentially once it gives a breakout, any move below 7.4 should bring a good drop for 7.27 and below levels. Now if you look at the directional movement is moderately bullish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is still bearish. This is trading with a divergence. This is looking downwards. RSI is also looking downwards here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, you'll find, see, it is slightly skewed on the downside. See, it is seen the peak trying to drop, but at the same time, the support there at 7.5 is very strong. Below that, 7.4 level should come into picture. So those who want to take a safe entry, do not trade between 7.4 to 7.6, 20 cents. But yes, above and below, you can expect it to show you a good move. Beyond 7.6, you can expect 7.65, 7.7. Certainly a good resistance at 7.7, and then beyond that, it is going to fly high. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic trading near to the bottom. The MACD is bearish. It is crossed over here at the highs. It is parallel. It is divergent, indicating bearishness. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, interestingly, lower highs are seen, and it is trying to look downwards. You can find out 7.45 and 7.4 levels. Certainly a very good resistance there on the downside. Yes, if you are taking a short entry at 7.5, you can, but then expect 7.45, 7.4 as the major support, and below 7.4 it is going to show you a good drop. So be very cautious and alert. I will not recommend safe traders to sell at 7.5. Only below 7.4 you can take a sell entry. Directional movement is moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. It is still looking downwards. The RSI is near to the highs there. Now look at the daily charts. Why 7.4 and 7.5? See, if it draws below this zone at 7.5 levels, you can find 7.45 as a good support, and then 7.4 levels should come as the max support, because below, once it drops below 7.4, certainly it is going to give you a good drop towards 7.2 and below levels. And see, right now what it is trying to do is flat bottom and lower highs. And yes, the next candle when it starts here on NG, potentially it may try to trade between 7.7 and 7.5 levels. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is looking near to the top, trading near to the top. So only sell entry today is below 7.45 levels, but then still 7.4 levels is also very good support. So those who want to take a safe entry should only wait for 7.4. Below that, yes, a good drop can be expected. The risky trader, slightly risky trader, in fact, can sell at 7.5 levels itself and then expect 7.45, 7.4 levels to give it a very, very strong support. On the upside, yes, you can buy there at 7.65 levels, and rather I will say 7.6 itself you can buy and then expect 7.65 and 7.7 levels as the target. 7.7 is certainly going to be a very good resistance for the day. Beyond 7.7 you can expect 7.75 and 7.82 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.